Yes, how are you doing? How are you doing? Today, I'm going to show you how you can confirm your email address, how you can confirm your PayPal email address. Well, these are the steps. Log into your PayPal account because for now I'm logged into my PayPal account. Yeah, I'm already logged into my PayPal account. Drop down where you see a red flag notifications. Then you can either confirm your email when you click on see details, or you can confirm your email when you go into your email that you have used to create your PayPal account, the email that is connected to your PayPal account. I can either confirm my email when I click on the notification I have received from PayPal saying hello and so on. Next, confirm your email. Thank you for signing up for a business account with PayPal. To use your account, you first need to confirm your email, but by clicking the link below. We can either confirm the email when we are out of the account, or we can confirm the email when we are logged into the account. When I click on confirm on the link that I have received on my email, they will ask me to confirm your email. When I click on confirm, well, I will need to put in a password that I'm going to just paste in because I'm already connected with my account, then confirm my email. Exactly, PayPal will take me back to the dashboard where you will see that my email has been confirmed. We had two notifications. That is how they confirm a, a PayPal email. Yeah, that is how you confirm your email. Keep in touch. I'm going to show you how you can link and confirm your debit or credit card, and how you'll be able to withdraw from PayPal to your local bank here in Uganda. Thank you for watching. Keep in touch. Don't forget to subscribe.